MX24 TV, hashtags MXLIVE. Shout out to my boy Ginseng. Please find his music. Like I said, we're going to keep it on rotation and support him as much as possible, just like we do with all our other artists here. With every single artist we talk to, please find them, find their music, support them. You know, this is just a platform. This is a stepping stone, sorry. And we're going to continue to give you guys this platform and this stepping stone. Now, I really love this conversation before the conversation, because I've been talking to my brother, you know, who I'm going to be introducing in a bit. He's very heavily tied in, you know, to the culture. I want to talk about the culture. I mean, the fashion, the music, how they're tied in, the history, and what they mean to the people, right? So he goes by the name Van Basit. Did I get that right?
Exactly.
Welcome, man.
Thanks, bro.
Bro, you got swag. Let me just say, you guys check out his Instagram. I saw his Instagram.
You started this, right?
Yeah.
Swag 365 or something like that.
Oh no, I used to watch it, like with the yeah.
I saw your episode on that.
Yeah. I mean,
you're in the Reeboks and
right.
Plain t-shirt.
Yeah, you know. So, as I was saying, right?
Yeah.
We had a little conversation before now. You're very heavily tied in with culture, with music, with fashion.
Yeah.
What do you think about the fashion, right? And the music and where it is now?
Yeah.
Because you were telling me earlier on how 1985, the Jordans, you're giving me a bit of history, which I'm sure you're going to give us again.
Exactly.
Run us through what you think from then till now.
Yeah. It's been crazy. There's been so much growth along the year, even as compared to Ghana. Back in the day, no one really cared about what they wore on feet and stuff. But from 2019 till now, it's been crazy. Like everyone is so particular about what he or she is wearing.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, and there is this slang in Ghana now, banku.
What do you think about that? Before we get on to your so he's got some music which you're going to get into. What's your take on this? Like, oh, they wear banku. Oh, it's fake. First of all, let me just add this, right? Okay. Fake is fake.
Yeah,
I can never say on any platform and advocate, you know, to sell and endorse fake stuff, because I have my merchandise I'm working on. And as a young entrepreneur, I want people to buy stuff originally, right?
Absolutely.
And from an authorized dealer, you know, an authorized entrepreneur, business is business. It has to be done the right way.
Yeah, exactly.
So I can't do that. I can't say, oh, buy fake because it's fake. And again, this is business. These are brands that are investing.
Yeah.
So for you, who's also very heavily in the culture, what's your take on this whole banku and wearing fake stuff?
With the matter of fakes, I think it can be controlled. It's part of the business. Yeah,
like it happens, right?
It's part of the marketing. Because at the end of the day, most of these fake shoes even make the original shoes more popular. You get it? Because, for instance, I think the most fake shoe in town would be the Air Jordan 1.
Okay.
And I can tell you Air Jordan 1 is one of the most popular sneakers in sneaker culture.
Yeah, right now it's crazy.
If no one knows sneakers, at least they know Air Jordan 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I feel with the matter of fakes, it's something that is also part of the culture. We can manage it.
But you accept it?
I don't accept it.
Okay.
It's not culture though.
Yeah.
It's not right to wear fake shoes. And I feel people just put pressure on themselves.
Yeah, bro, I was telling you, right? I was telling him off air, right? You know, we have ranges of sneakers. Like I saw somebody post on Snapchat, like 8,000 CD sneakers, 12,000 CD, 60. There's 65,000 Ghana CD sneakers. Exactly. And if you change directly, these are what they're going for.
Yes.
But if I can get Vans for like 500 CDs, 1,000 CDs, 1,500 CDs, I will get it.
Yes.
But do you think, the reason why I asked you about what you think about the culture now is, do you think it's becoming diluted that if you're not wearing the most expensive thing, you're not rated in the culture?
No.
Do you hear these things?
No, that's how people are making it seem.
Okay.
But even when we talk about sneaker culture, when we dig in properly, all these luxury brands are not even rated in culture.
Oh, for real?
Yes.
The luxury brands?
Yes, the culture is made up of, if I want to go deep into it, I would say the culture is made up of Air Force Ones.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chuck Taylors.
Yeah. Superstars.
Yeah. Like the Converse.
Like the Converse, right?
The old school Vans.
Yeah.
Reebok Classics.
Yeah. So there's nothing wrong with it. If you can afford that.
If you can afford it. I'm wearing a Puma.
Okay. Yeah. I get that. I mean, like I get what you're saying.
So at a point, I was preaching something personally.
Tell me about that.
You don't need to put too much money on your fit before you look fly.
What do people say to that?
Oh, no,
Like people come at you that, oh no, you need to spend too
no,
much
the
money.
real ones know.
Okay.
The real ones know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think here right now, the culture is also accepting and leaning to the fact that, you know, we have ranges, we need to buy original stuff, you know, and all these things? Is the culture getting there now?
Yeah, it's getting there because maybe someone is in uni. You still get money from your parents before you survive.
Yeah, I mean, if you can't afford it, you can't afford it.
Why do you want to buy a Louis Vuitton?
Yeah. Bro, the prices are crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, I saw sneakers $35,000.
Crazy.
I'm like, bro, I probably wouldn't wear it, bro. Like,
it's not for anyone, you know. Everyone has.
But do you think celebrities here can actually keep up with fashion, the way we see fashion? Like when I say fashion, I see like A$AP Rocky.
Yeah.
I see like Drake. I see like Chris Brown. Like I see these guys constantly changing their looks.
Yes.
Can we actually keep up, Van?
We can.
We can?
Dedication. Learn.
Dedication is money, bro.
Yes, it's money, but you mentioned A$AP. How many times have you seen A$AP wearing a luxury brand? A$AP is always on Vans, Jordans, Nike Blazers.
Yeah.
You feel me?
If you were to pick your 3 most fashionable Ghanaian artists, I'm not putting you on the spot, but he's very heavily tied in with fashion and music. He actually has new music, but I like what we're talking about. If you were to pick like off the top, like these 3 artists are really like trailblazing in Ghana right now, in no particular order. Which guys would you mention, or ladies?
D-Money.
Oh, I mean, I think we should just like exclude him. Like we shouldn't even add him to like the song. Like he's on a different level, right?
D-Money.
Okay.
Stonebwoy is killing it.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, right now you can tell like the back D.
Yeah.
Put on the LVs,
That's
the Rick
true.
Owens.
Yeah.
Like back to back.
And who else?
Tough, you know.
Bro, you have to. You have to. Because yeah, D-Money, Stonebwoy, true.
You're putting me on the spot right now.
If you could add someone else.
I just want to get it right.
Yeah.
I like what Sheriff is doing. Black Sheriff.
Sheriff?
Yeah, he's not putting.
He's very out of the box, right?
Yeah, like very out of the box. Like I like it. Like express yourself. That's how style should be. Like your drift should fit your sound.
Okay.
Yeah, when people listen to your music, they should know how you look like.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I feel Black Sheriff is doing that.
Okay.
Okay,
before you ask your thing, do you know who I like?
Okay.
Right, and it's not because the style is, you know, crazy over the top, but I feel like he's understood himself. And for me here, I'll say Sarkodie.
Yes.
I feel like his colors are like very toned down.
Yes.
So he fits in and he knows how to fit in everywhere he goes.
Yeah,
like he just rock his Air Force Ones on a regular, you know, and like he knows what he's doing that works for him.
And Sarkodie actually impacted the culture very heavily after the Fugazi song. Everyone was so careful.
Okay, do you think fashion-wise we can compete, or we are competing enough with other African markets? I'm not going to go like super international. Like when we look at Nigeria, because if I look at Nigeria, fashion-wise for me it's Wizkid. I feel like he also understands himself. But do you think like we can compete? And the reason why, again, I love this conversation is because the fashion is very heavily tied in with the music now.
Yeah, I feel you. Yeah. So
are we? Can we?
We can, but I feel
we're not there yet.
We have to work on certain. No, Nigerians are very dedicated. Like I was in Nigeria last year, December, for Sneaker Festival. I was part of the panel. Yeah. Yeah. And when I got to Nigeria,
crazy.
Oh,
bruh.
I was like, whoa. What happened in Nigeria was like one of our biggest music festivals in Ghana.
Okay.
But that was a sneaker festival.
Yeah.
So I was like, whoa, these guys are really up to it. Like, yeah.
Oh, bro, have you studied B-Strap lately?
Yeah, B-Strap.
Bro, he's been looking fly.
He's been on the Nike Blazers.
Bro,
like,
B-Strap's been looking fly.
Yeah, that's true. Sheesh. Fly girl.
Right? He's been looking fly. Okay, he didn't give me his third, but you know, we're just gonna like brush over. Yeah. Okay, so for someone, and you're here to talk about music, but everyone watching this like, these guys are focusing on fashion. Because you've been heavily focused on fashion for a very long period.
Yeah.
And now, I wouldn't say you're transitioning into music because you're still into fashion.
Yes.
you're encompassing
Yes.
music into this,
Yeah.
and you're actually releasing your first song ever.
Yeah.
Why now?
I feel artist journey. Yeah, because I've been recording music like for years now, but I felt no, I wasn't ready to drop any song.
Okay.
I wanted to just do it right, like not just do it.
Okay.
I wanted to do it like very perfect. So I thought this is a time, and it's growth. Because I
Yeah.
started, people knew me on the internet. I think 2021. That's why
Okay.
I was so popular on the internet.
Okay.
I was so heavy on
Okay.
the sneaker
Okay.
culture, and I thought, yeah, it's good.
Okay. Okay.
still
So
growing.
it's actually something you've been doing behind the scenes,
Yeah,
but it's now
behind
you're
the
now
scenes.
coming out
Yeah,
like
publicly.
out of your shell
Yeah.
publicly.
Yeah.
How's the response been, man? Again, people know you for sneakers. I'm sure some people are like, nah, bro, you about the sneakers. Why are you releasing music now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But you know, at the end of the day, if it's right, the kids will sniff it out.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So you've got a new song.
Yes.
When did you release this?
On the 15th of July.
What's it called?
Flyboy Code.
Why am I not surprised? You know, he's a fashion guy releasing music, Flyboy Code. So is that song what I'm thinking is about? You know, looking fly, staying fly?
Yeah, staying fly, looking fly, and staying productive at the end of the day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, this is your first song ever?
Yeah, my first
officially,
song.
like
Yes.
professionally.
Yeah.
How's the response been to the music?
The reception has been great so far. Like, it's even motivating me to do more.
Oh.
I just came out from the studio before I came here.
Okay.
I was still working on another song.
Okay.
Yeah, like right now it's been music. Like ever since I dropped my song, the motivation has increased from maybe 5 to I would say 10 now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usually in a conversation like this, I'd ask you, so is it difficult balancing? But this is very tied in for you, like music and fashion. Like,
No, this.
I'm not sure it's difficult, you know,
Yeah, this is why
combining.
I love. Yeah,
Okay.
fashion is creativity and music is creativity.
Do you style yourself?
Yeah, I do.
Obvious answer, right? Okay, guys, check this out. Let us know what you think. We'll be right back. Bro, that's a vibe.
Yeah.
Man. That's like really cool, bro.
Thanks,
Have you shot
brother.
like an original music video, like an official music video?
No, not an official video yet, but at the moment I have so many content out there. I have a
Okay.
trailer for the song actually, like
Okay.
so many contents, you can check them out.
Okay.
on
I'm
YouTube.
sure a lot of people like to be in videos, but you know, when they see what you're wearing, they're gonna be like, "Psh, I ain't doing this, bro. Like,
No, this is for, this is
I'm gonna stand next to him, bro.
this like this not a song just for me. This is an anthem for the Fly Boys. Yeah.
I mean, we spoke about this a bit earlier, but you're happy right now, generally, with you know the fashion culture in Ghana,
Yeah,
right?
I'm happy.
Because people be looking fly.
Yeah, we still growing. Like it's growth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you do this professionally too, right? In terms of your sneaker business, you do
yeah.
that professionally too.
Yeah. So I manage a sneaker store.
Okay.
Yeah, I manage and creative director at sneaker store.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The reason I'm asking because I think I saw a show of yours, you know,
yeah,
on
Caesar
TV.
sneakers.
Yeah, and it was really, really fly. Is that something you really
Yeah,
you still do?
that's time with the sneaker head. Yeah, that's actually I would say the first and ever sneaker show in Africa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, I introduced that.
Wow.
And that's on record.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen some of these things, but on other international platforms.
Exactly.
So, like, do people talk about the sneakers? Like, do you have conversations with?
Yeah. So this show was actually based on sneakers. We dissected the sneaker culture.
Okay.
We try to see what the guests like.
Okay.
Maybe if you're an artist, we try to dissect your projects too as well.
Okay.
So touch a bit on the culture, touch on your craft, and then
Okay.
just have a good conversation. at the end
And
of
that's
the day.
your store, right?
That's
Is that-
the
is that
store
the
I
store?
manage. Yeah.
That's the store you manage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
Caesar sneakers.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
So,
Just around the KB
what's your
International
favorite
School.
sneaker right now?
My favorite sneaker right now is Ben and Jerry's.
Ben and Jerry's.
Yeah, Ben and Jerry's.
Wait, I want to Google this.
Yeah, check Ben
Wait,
and
is
Jerry's.
is the brand called Ben and Jerry's or is
So
like?
it's actually a collaboration between Ben and Jerry's and Nike.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ben and Jerry's.
Yeah,
Is
Ben
it like
and
high
Jerry's.
tops or is it like?
It's a low top. Yeah,
Okay.
let's be done. Yeah, I'm working hard to purchase that.
Oh, Ben and Jerry's is ice cream.
It's an ice cream, you know.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Bro, are they like super expensive? Oh,
Yeah,
these look
just-
cool, bro.
just-
$2,000.
And more. And my size is more than $2,000. So
Bruh,
yeah.
I just Googled this. His favorite sneaker costs $2,000.
Yeah, so
I know some cars worth $2,000, bro.
I'm working hard to put that in my collection.
So if you get that, like, would you wear it?
Whoa.
Nah, he's not gonna wear it. Like, do you have some sneakers like you've never worn?
Yeah, like my holiest grill. I don't wear them.
Do you not wear them because they're rare, or because they're expensive, or because they just mean?
No, I don't check the price, bro.
Okay. So you might have some sneakers not too expensive, but you just love them.
Yeah, I love them. Like in my song, you heard me saying Mac Attack. Yeah, Mac Attack is a silhouette from Travis Scott. It's a collaboration from Travis Scott and Nike. Yeah, I have that particular pair, and I've never worn that pair.
Oh man, don't invite me to your wardrobe, bro. Like I just like take everything out, bro.
Yeah, big shouts to my Porsche from Free the Youth. He hooked me up on that one.
Oh, that's family.
Yeah,
oh, that's
family.
Cool.
Yeah, he hooked me up on that one, and
bro, you see how sneakerheads are talking?
Yeah,
talking about his love for the culture, but it's really really cool. So do you get to have these conversations with, like, you know, young guys who are also heavily into sneakers?
Yeah.
Like, you know, I want this and I want that. You know, debating which one is the best and which one is not.
That's what me and my friends do.
Okay.
We are fly boys.
Okay.
So that's the cool, like fly boy cool.
Let me ask you this before you leave. So to people who see young guys very heavily investing in, like, you're talking about shoes. You know, shoes are not an investment. You guys should be heavily invested in something else. Why are you sitting down talking about shoes? What do you tell these people?
I tell people now that sneaker culture is now the new gold mine.
For real?
For real. Because back in 2016, Forbes released a report that the sneaker culture was fueling about $1 billion to the secondary market. Ooh. That was in 2016. And at this time, it's almost around $124 billion.
Crazy.
So just imagine.
Yeah.
You can buy a pair of shoe for maybe $100 and just leave it with time.
Yeah.
It appreciates. So just like how people deal in crypto, that's how sneakers grow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
So investing in sneakers is never...
People actually invest in sneakers?
Yes.
Sheesh. I mean, $2,000, I get it.
Yeah, in America, people buy used shoes.
Used?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And like they resell them?
Resell them, they resell them.
Okay. Wow, that's incredible, man. We're learning a lot.
Yeah, look.
You know?
So I know with time it's growing up. Like me as the linguist and the mouthpiece of the culture.
I like that. I like that. The mouthpiece, the linguist. I like that, bro. It's been really, really cool talking to you. Can't wait to see what you do in the future, you know, with the sneaker culture and conversations like this. I'm sure your upcoming events, I'm going to like to be there.
Most
you
definitely.
know, to see, you know,
Friends
just observe. Right? Like to,
and probably you wear Flyboy cool shoes very soon.
Yeah.
Maybe a collab with Nike.
Amen, bro.
Hey.
Amen.
Or any other brand, not just Nike.
Yeah, any other brand, other brand. I can't wait to see that, man, and keep doing your thing, you know. The music. So when are we getting more music? Are we getting another song anytime soon?
From now back to back music, because we get the songs plenty, so we just going to feed you.
Okay.
So all you need to do is just support the movement. Let's take this to the next level. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. To the next level. Are Air Force Ones the greatest sneakers of all time?
Air Force Ones are culture.
Are they the greatest of all time?
I would say they are culture.
Because funny enough, I was watching a video yesterday and someone was like, these are the greatest, the white Air Force Ones.
Yeah, like white on white. They are the culture.
They're the culture.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. Man, please find him, support his music. Again, your songs are on all platforms right now.
Yeah, all platforms.
People can find it, people can buy it.
Yeah.
I'm sure in the future we're going to have more conversations like this. I can't wait to have you some more. Can't wait to see your music videos and what you do moving forward. I've loved this conversation so much. If you're a sneakerhead, if you're heavily invested in the music, just look forward to more conversations like this on MX24 TV. And we're going to bring it to you the best way possible with the linguists and even more creatives. Guys, have a very wonderful afternoon. I hope you have a very wonderful holiday. Salute.
Look at things with the culture, you understand? Big tune. Smoke my loud and I find my peace. In my glass cup, 2 shots of Hennessy. If I'm not on, I don't blow my phone. If I ain't by the mood, I don't try, no. Cause man got bad bills to pay at home. Let me not switch on your story, yo. This is a flyboy's code. Not a proper flyboy's code. 100 motion, 0 drama. Ya fit no say, man a real hustler. This time me and them pull up in a beamer. Everything clean, a real music dealers. They say yes, I must know this one matter. So me just hip on the road, just to walk. Dropping hard to make this smoother. Selling them white kids to make this quarter. Pass me the Mac attacks. DJ wants anything from Travis Scott. Oh my God. Me no says oh they pan babe stars. And if you to the pan Salomon. The pass me the what the fives. Don't forget to add what them Paul. If you really want some fire, put me on me at 100 motion, 0 drama. Ya fit no say, man a real hustler. This time me and them pull up in a beamer. Everything clean, a real music dealers. They say yes, I must know this one matter. So me just hip on the road, just to walk. Dropping hard to make this smoother. Selling them white kids to make this quarter. Hold it on, hold it on, hold it on. Now try to step on my foot, me step out, man. And I mean, I was one, me not rush, me stay in my zone, me not mix up. I brought a vibe in and LV. Sometimes they might call me this nigga freaker. Oh God, see how them cherishing the culture. And don't say this thing got a very big my Lord and I'll find my peace. In my glass cup, 2 shots of Hennessy. If I ain't by the mood, I don't try, no, no.